Well, it's been almost 30 years, and when I look back at what it was like when I started here, it's obviously we've done something right over the last 30 years because this place is pretty dramatic compared to what it was when I started. Just the bathroom, Scotty. I came from large corporations to where they were very good jobs, but I went through 2 plant closings. I think I was laid off temporarily 11 times in my life in the first 20 years. Not the case since I got here. I actually got to work at a place where you could shake the owner's hand and you could see him walk through the plant and actually work with you. That you'll never get from a huge corporation where you never even see or ever see the people that make the decisions that affect you and your family's life. So ALMACO's been good to me and helped me raise my son and put him through college. Now it's time for the old guy to give it up to the kids, just like Gary did, and go play with my 2 little granddaughters. So I hope the best for all of you and a happy new year.